Alright, Gary, this is the Maryland car. See all the junk piled up around it, which is terrible. Primarily the front end's in decent shape. There's the clip. The brake components are all in a box. Been taking them off because I got disc brake kits. I was going to start putting the spindles on, whatnot, but regardless, I'll see if I can get down here and kind of scan in on some of the front clip components. Little bit of rust there on the door, or well, of course there's a door, but there's the typical spots right in there where it rusts, right in the bottom corner of the fender. There's the wheel well. It's in pretty good shape. Overall, the front end, it's the A-arms, control or sway bar, even the front area. I know you can see that. The front bumper area. That looks right there. It looks like the bumper. You notice the top of the bumper to the bottom gap of that fender. It's punched in a little bit. It looks like he nosed it into something. That whole front area is a little loose, so I'm not sure if he was what the guy was doing on it to begin with. I'm not sure if you can see that little bubble of rust there above the seam. Under here, there's the front subframe up to the front bumper area. Bottom of the battery tray. I'm not sure that you can see that, but that's the bottom of the battery tray area where that rust is, which is typical, unfortunately. Side of the wheel wells, back of the subframe, of course headers on back towards the back. You can see the frame rail connectors back there. Guy put in. Then on up here to the top, a little bit of surface rust across there at the front of the bumpers. Hood latch area. Back on here, power brake cylinder. 400 cubic inch Edelbrock